Hello everyone, greetings from India. This is Nirbhay Chauhan from Eklavya self-learning tutorials. Well, today in this tutorial we will be learning how to 3D model the emblem of Black Adam. The emblem basically means this logo. So we'll be modeling this into 3D and learning the techniques, what Workbench is basically we'll be using. So to begin with, there are two workbenches that we'll be using for this entire tutorial. One is the image workbench to use the Black Adam poster image for the tracing purpose. And second is a part design workbench in which we'll be modeling the 3D CAD design of this emblem. So we'll start with the blank file. So from here we have option of create a new document, empty document. So firstly, we'll open the image workbench. And here we have an option called create image plane, right? So we'll select this and we'll select the desired image for tracing purpose and we'll host it on XZ plane, which is the front plane. It's totally your choice in whichever plane you want to host it. So we'll be posting it on XZ plane, which is the front plane. And now you can see on the front view, we have the poster of Black Adam. Now the requirement is we want to trace out this logo, the emblem basically, and then we'll be carving out and extruding it basically into a form of 3D emblem or a 3D model. So now the image workbench purpose is over. Now what we can do is we can move to part design workbench. And now here, the very first option is, so we'll start very quickly, like very simple operations without wasting any time. And we have here is create body. So we'll click on this option. And now basically it asks us is to create a sketch. So we'll select the sketch option and we can select the plane. So like the image is hosted on the XZ plane. So the sketch which we'll be making will also be on the XZ plane only. So we'll select the XZ plane and click OK. And now we have all the sketcher options here. Like it automatically switches to sketcher workbench. So now we'll be carving out simply tracing the logo. So now we select this option for the polyline, create polyline option. And now we'll be tracing it down. So we start from here. So it doesn't matter how much accurate do you want to proceed with this. So it's totally up to you. Like this is how we can carve it out. So it's just a rough tracing out basically, but it basically solves the purpose at much extent. And now this particular line you can see, this one. This is quite straightforward. So once you're done with the carving out and tracing it, you can do some minor adjustments. Like you can make this as straight constraint with this one, horizontal constraint. So this is like this, and then you can shift a little bit here, and then you can shift this particular node, to do some minor adjustments to your tracing basically, right? And that's how we have the overall uh, tracing of the emblem outline basically. And we'll click close. Now you can see the sketch is selected. Now the requirement is we want to make extrusion of this particular sketch. So extrusion here in part design basically means padding. So we click on the padding option here and you can see this is extruded automatically. Now what we need to do is, this is quite huge automatically. We will be giving some value here, the length. So suppose we can give the value of 1 inch. So this also looks so huge. So maybe 0.25 inches. A little bit more or less 1.5. So I think this extrusion is fine for our emblem. You can make it more also, totally up to you, right? And now we can click OK. So the extrusion, the base diagram is ready. Now we want to apply certain thickness, inward thickness to this logo. We want to make it hollow inside with some edges with some thickness. So what we can do is simply select click on this surface. So once you click on this top surface, you can see there are options here. So the option which we want to implement here is a thickness one. So you click on thickness. Some error here you can ignore. So now the thickness that you want to give here is, so you can give the value of around basically 0.15 only. And the mode is skin. The joint type you can give as intersection, right? So this you can see it is going outside. What basically we want is, we want the thickness to be inwards. So you click this option, right? And the other option that you can select here is thickness 1.5 looks huge. You can do some permutation combinations here. So 1.0 is fine, or you can make it to 0.05, I guess. So this basically implies like this. So 0.08 I think solves the purpose. This is how you can see you have got the edges of your emblem basically and the thickness, and the inverse extrusion has also been made with this. So now we'll be clicking OK. So now what you have achieved so far is the 3D emblem of your desired logo. Now we'll do some little bit appearance modifications here. So what you can do is you go to model option here. This is the thickness that basically we have got so far. We have the body, and inside we did the padding and thickness. Now basically if you want to apply certain colors here is, this thickness directly cannot be applied, or you can apply to the body. What we'll do is we will simply make a part copy of this emblem. So you go to part workbench for a very minor operation, and you click on this thickness object, and you go to part menu on the above. So you can see here there is an option called create a copy, and this further sub menu option is create simple copy. So you click on this, and this simple copy is made, and now you can basically hide the body and the thickness. So this simple copy has been made. Now what you can do is you can apply colors to this. You can apply multicolors as well. So we'll be learning that. So what you can do firstly is you click on this thickness object, right click on it, and here we have set colors, right? So before setting colors, what we can do is either you can make this overall as with some definite color. So what we'll do is on thickness object in the view menu, firstly what we can do is we can give some transparency. So 50 transparency is something which looks good here, or you can increase also as per your requirement. And now we can give this shape color. So shape color, either you can pick from the screen. So we'll try to pick this color from the screen to actually match. So here you can see there are different colors. You can see it's actually shows on the preview also. So we'll try to match the color scheme of the boundary basically uh, with the available colors with the black Adam costume. So this one basically looks okay, and click OK. And this is a color which you can see which very well mix the available costume color here, right? And the transparency is also adding a very good unique look here. Now the last thing which actually we'll be doing is we'll be giving a custom color to this particular face which we have just selected, right? So what we'll do is click on this thickness object again, right click, and go to set colors option, right? And the set colors, here you can see no face is selected. You click on this face, you can see face 25. So this is the number of the face, name of the face which is selected. And now you can choose the color, right? So we can go with some yellowish shade, I guess, and you click OK. And you see here how beautiful does this look, and how the coloration effect and the transparency effect is basically adding that costume uh, transparency basically. So a little bit of translucent color and the costume, and this 3D emblem of your Black Adam is ready. So if you want to view this uniquely, you can hide this image plane, and then you can basically see your emblem. So this is totally 3D, and with the image plane this looks really good. So you can see how the look has entirely changed. So if you simply hide this object, you can see this was the original picture, and on top of it basically we have made our emblem. So this is the one. So let me know guys, how did you like this tutorial, and let me know with your comments and if any difficulty you face, let me know with that. And I hope you like this video. Do hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and we'll meet you in the next tutorial, and share this with your fellow friends. So see you guys. Thank you so much. Take care.